Do you see it, man?
See what, sir? My uvula! Is that really necessary right now, sir?
Are we rolling?
Of course we're rolling, sir.
I'm Nature Man, and today we are in the Yukon. First rule of survival, camouflage.
Sir? Sir, you still there?
Up here, mates. Rule number 2 of survival, know your surroundings. Look, a bird.
What? What did he...
Here, mate.
How did you do that?
Go for holes.
Okay.
Let's meet on my third rule of survival, food. In order to live like an animal in the forest, you have to eat like one too.
I'm going to decline the offer. Thanks. Is that bird?
What? No, what are you talking about?
Sir, I do believe it's time for you to, go solo now.
Of course, give me the camera. Now that I'm out here on my own, it's time to build a shelter to protect me from the elements. Building a shelter has proven to be difficult. For now, I will have to just look for a clean source of water. I appear to have spotted some sort of wild beast. I'm going to try to get a closer look. Judging by its dark coat, stocky posture, and strong legs, I'm going to have to say that it's, odd. Look at that beauty. I think it spotted me. Maybe if we hold our ground, it'll back down. Never mind, I'm going to run for my life now. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Make sure to leave a like if you liked it and share it with all your friends. We would really appreciate that. Also, subscribe for more videos like this one and click right here for our last video. We'll see you in the next video.